Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will study Unit 1, Number and Problem Solving. So, open up page number 6 and let's get started. Today, we will do counting. You can see some numbers on your screen from 1 to 20. Let's count them together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now that you have done the counting, let's listen to a song. And if you want, you can sing the song along with it.
Let's practice counting from 1 up to 20. I'll sing first and you be my echo. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12,
13, 14.
13, 14,
15, 16.
15, 16,
17, 18.
17, 18,
19, 20.
19, 20.
Counting up to 20.
Counting up to 20.
Come sing along with me.
Come sing along with me.
Counting up to 20.
Counting up to 20.
We'll do it easily.
We'll do it easily.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12,
13, 14.
13, 14,
15, 16.
15, 16,
17, 18.
17, 18,
19, 20.
19, 20.
Counting up to 20.
Counting up to 20.
Come sing along with me.
Come sing along with me.
Counting up to 20.
Counting up to 20.
We'll do it easily.
We'll do it easily.
Let's sing the song again. Only this time we'll sing and count to 20 all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting up to 20. Come sing along with me. Counting up to 20. We'll do it easily. Created using Powtoon.
Okay, now let's look at these objects and count them. Let's count them together. These are watermelons. Let's count the watermelons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many watermelons are there? 12. Very good. And how do you write number 12? Yes, 1 and 2. It makes 12. Now, let's count the apples. Let's see how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 apples. And we write 9 like this. Now, let's count the bananas. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 bananas. And you write 14 like this. Okay, now let's count the pineapples. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pineapples. This is how you write 15. Okay, now let's count the strawberries. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 strawberries. Okay, now let's count the oranges. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 oranges. Very good. Now, on page number 6, count the objects and write the number how many they are.